Hello viewers, today we are going to start new topic which is how to earn as a web developer 2022। यानी इस वीडियो में हम ये सिखाएंगे कि हम एज अ वेब डेवलपर हम अपनी अर्निंग किस तरह स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी तमाम व्यूवर से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोस आपको मिल सकें। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। While some successful web developers work full-time for one company, freelancing has grown equally lucrative in recent years. With time, society perspective has shifted, so freelancers are now treated equally. Is freelance web development worth is यानी वेब डेवलपमेंट की जो वर्थ है वो हमारे पास क्या है, वो हमें डिफाइन करनी है। Freelancers have the convenience of working from home. Moreover, they have the ability to create their work schedule. As a result of increased globalization and technological advancement, tons of large opportunities have opened up in a variety of areas. अब हमारे पास क्या है कि व्हाट इज़ द एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ यानी एवरेज सैलरी जो है वो वेब डेवलपिंग के हमारे पास कितनी हो सकती है वो हमें बताएंगे। It's often difficult to estimate how much freelance web developers make with different sites codes varying estimates. Also, various metrics determine the pay of a developer, which are often highly variable from project to project or even from one employer to another. If you are complete beginner with a fairly new portfolio, you will struggle to navigate higher rates. However, this also boils down to how much convincing power you hold to make the employer believe in your capabilities as a developer. Statistical case study. Let's now compare a true freelancer to people who are employed full time but are allowed to work remotely, hence enjoy some of the same benefits along with the sense of security. According to some estimates, the average salary of people working full-time remote web developer jobs in between $70,000 to $100,000. Number first, salary of a front-end web developer. If you are new to the world of the new web development, let's first go over what the front-end developer usually does. Front-end web development is also sometimes referred to as a client-side development. It is the process of creating HTML, CSS and JavaScript for a website or web application so that a user can see and interact with it. It's important to mention that with front-end development, the tools and technologies are changing in constant way. Pay scale salaries. Now let's talk about the pay scale. The salary will depend on the language you know. You generally front-end developers earn on average 75,000 per year. There are different salaries quoted on different sites. We will take a look on three top sites. Glassdoor reports the largest pay scale and Indeed. Number second is salary of a back-end web developer. Server-side developments, referring to as back-end development, databases, scripting, and websites architecture, are all covered under the umbrella of the back-end. Pay scale salaries. Back-end developers generally earn more than the front-end counterparts. Glassdoor, pay scale, and Indeed has different for previous. Number 3. Salary of a full-stack developer. A full-stack developer is someone who works on both the front and back ends of the website or application. Pay scale has different for previous. Experience requirement for good web developer salary. When looking for jobs or even when researching online, you must have an across terms like a junior web developer or a senior web developer. Some companies also classify these jobs such as an entry-level web developer, a mid-tier web developer, and a high-tier web developer. Average salary, average 61,000 per year, approximately. How to get a job as a junior web developer. However, even if you are just starting out and have no experience under your belt, not all is lost. The one way to build experience and great portfolio is to look for projects that are open source and want developers to contribute. A great example of this Shopify. All the Shopify themes are built on an open source theme framework and tons of Shopify jobs that are advertised on platforms like Upwork right now. If you are contribute to this a potential Shopify client down the label will definitely consider this as a good and relevant experience. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि हम किस तरह अपनी अर्निंग जो है वो एज अ वेब डेवलपर 2022 में किस तरह स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। उम्मीद है आप सब व्यूअर्स को वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दे ताकि मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोज़ आपको मिल सकें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।